welcome or welcome back to another vlog. So as you can see in the title below, we are going to be unboxing my new instrument, which is the ukulele. Today is May 19, Tuesday, 3:37 p.m. Today is my mom's birthday. So, ay natutulog siya. Kasi kakauwi lang ng kaibigan niya. Nag-inuman sila dito sa house. Pero konti lang. And then, today, we are going to be unboxing my ukulele. Actually, dumating to kaninang morning, mga 7 a.m. Tapos na-shock ako. Anong order yan, kuya? Tapos sabi niya, hindi ko po alam, ma'am. Bawal namin itong buksan. Tapos pag tingin ko dito, meron siya nakalagay na RJ guitars. So, yung ukulele pala. So, hindi ko siya in-expect na na-process pala yung order ko sa Shopee. Kasi as far as I remember, financel ko siya. Pero, ewan ko bakit na-process. Anyways, so yung nabayaran ko dito was 1,910 pesos. Kasi meron akong in-order ng mga strings. Pero, I don't know yet. And also, hindi ko alam if yung na-order ko was soprano or alto. What you call that sa ukulele? Meron kasi yung iba't ibang kinds of ukulele. I don't know kung ano tong na-order ko kasi super tagal na to. I think mga April 28 ko pa tong in-order. Kasi naalala ko na meron akong in-order after ng birthday ko para meron akong matutunan during the quarantine period. So, ayan. Oh my gosh, ang dami ko na sinasabi. So, yes, without further ado, let's get started. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong color ng ukulele yung nabili ko kasi nag-canvas ako ng mga ukulele sa mga friends ko if ano yung magandang brand, magandang color. Tapos, tinulungan ako ni Glenn Benatiro. Sabi niya na, umorder ka dun sa RJ Guitars. Meron silang black. So, I'm not sure if black yung in-order ko kasi maganda din sa picture yung white. Or baka bamboo to. I don't know. I don't really know the color. Bamboo or brown. So, ayan siya. Naka-bubble wrap siya, guys. Sana wala siyang sira. Ay, soprano! Yung na-order ko na ukulele is soprano. Kasi, yun yung nakalagay sa string. So, baka soprano to. I don't know. Eto na po yung pinaka-mismong box niya. Oh my God. Excited ko. Gamay man di ay. Maliit pala siya, guys. Sabay-sabay po nating tingnan. Tada! Black gidi ay. Oh my gosh. So, ito na yun. Oh. Ay! So, eto na yun, guys. Hala, black din ako na-order. Pinapawisan ako, girl. So, ayan yung in-order ko is isang ukulele at saka isang soprano ukulele strings. So, hindi ko alam kung paano to i-tune. Pero, aaralin ko muna siya, guys. Oh my God, ang ganda, girl. Tanawa. Matte. Pero siyang matte. Ay, hindi siya parang matte. Yeah, matte finish. I was really tempted to buy ukulele here na lang sa province ko kasi I'm really an impulsive buyer. I know it's a bad side of me, pero napigilan ko naman yung self ko. And I was able to wait for this for like 1.5 months siguro. Kasi in-order ko pa to April 28. Tapos ngayon lang siya dumating, May 19. So, ayan, I think mga 1.5 months. I don't know. So, okay, wait. Yabag pa siya. Let's tune it. Di mo kibaw mo tune. Uy. Pero sabi ng friend ko, meron daw mga apps pang-tune ng ukulele. I'm so happy. By the way, okay, wait. The price of this is, I'm so sorry. Nakalimutan ko na. So, this one is 1,699 Boracay ukulele with the matte finish na paint. And then, my RJ dito. Then, Boracay here, 4 strings. Tapos, yung additional strings, is how much? Wait, I don't know. Okay, so the RJ guitar, soprano, ukulele strings na in-order ko is for 135 pesos. So, nag-order ko ng extra just in case na maputol ko or something. Ito. Okay, wait. How do you tune this ba? Ukulele tune. Tuner, soprano. Soprano niya. Tapos, I was supposed to order bag din nito, pero hindi ko alam kung aling bag kasi maraming bag dito sa girl. Sa Shopee na RJ Guitars store nila. Hello, good luck din ako. Uy, mabali ni. Hala. Hala. Parehas ba? May tinitingnan akong video sa YouTube on how to tune a ukulele, pero hindi, parang mali, girl. So, since I'm still a beginner, don't expect anything from me. I'm still gonna learn this instrument, but ayan, super excited ako. And I will play siguro soon here on my channel. Pero give me time to practice muna, guys, kasi I can't do it naman overnight. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Anyways, ang ganda niya. If you guys want to order this, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it. And also, congrats to us kasi we reached 90,000 followers on TikTok. And here sa YouTube, we are almost 10,000. So, nagpaplano ako, guys, kapag umabot tayo ng 100k sa TikTok, tapos 10,000 dito, I'm planning to give away a smartphone. Pero kapag smartphone, isa lang. But, I'm also planning to give away ukulele instead. Kapag ukulele yung ipapamigay ko, I will have 3 winners. One sa YouTube, one sa TikTok, and one for Instagram. But I don't know yet. Please let me know. Comment down below if what do you think sa ating pag-giveaway. Subscribe down below if you want to see more of me. Follow me on TikTok at Skyers1 because I post videos there every single day. Ayan, every 12 PM or 3 PM. Nandyan lang sa mga oras na yan. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
But I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.